told you guys in one of my videos I was going to walk on the driveway barefoot because like the gravel pokes out and it's painful, and that's how I celebrate being painful. No, I'm joking, but there's not a lot of comments, but I love them because it left us my dick. My neighbors would be like, "What in the world?" And yeah. Ow. Oh, there's worms. That's so gross. Ouch. Oh. Ooh. Ah. What? Where'd it get dark? There we are. Ow. Ow. That's cold. That's cold. There's actual worms. That's so gross. Imagine stepping on. I don't think. Yeah, look at that. That's so gross. Ow. Yeah. I'll subscribe to anyone who comments, even if they don't have footage. Or, like, ow. Like, even if they don't have content. Ow. Where'd it get so dark? Ow. Ow, it's actually extremely painful. And it's still raining. And there's puddles everywhere, and there's worms. And it's windy. Ow. Oh, look, a branch. I was gonna laugh because you might not know how painful it is, but it's extremely painful. We got to the point. Oh, okay. Now back down. Ow. Ow. Ooh. Oh. Literally. Ah. Ah. There's a garbage man behind me. It's probably like, what the... Ah. Ah. My feet are extremely cold. They feel like fire. Imagine. So, maybe if I die, they'll find the footage and then it says YouTuber attempts. So, appreciate 20 subscribers. Feet full off while walking a half mile in the rain. There's literally worms everywhere. Well, not everywhere, because we wouldn't be wrecking on gravel. But there's literally but we're about 3/4 done. Well, 3/4 done of a half mile. So please comment what I should do.